Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Consider the following statements regarding scramjet engines. 1. A scramjet, supersonic combustion ramjet, engine operates efficiently at hypersonic speeds by using atmospheric oxygen for combustion. 2. Scramjet engines are designed to operate from a stationary position and can take off without assistance from other propulsion systems. Which of the statements above are correct? A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, D. Neither 1 nor 2. Answer is option A. Statement 1 is correct. Scramjet engines are designed to operate at hypersonic speeds above Mach 5 and rely on atmospheric oxygen for combustion, eliminating the need to carry oxidizers like conventional rocket engines. Statement 2 is incorrect. Scramjet engines cannot operate from a stationary position. They require an initial velocity, usually provided by a rocket or another propulsion system, to compress incoming air for combustion, as they lack the ability to generate thrust at low speeds or from rest. Consider the following statements regarding India-USA trade relations. 1. The United States has become India's largest trading partner in recent years. 2. India maintains a trade deficit with USA, importing significantly more goods and services than it exports. Which of the statements above are correct? A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, D. Neither 1 nor 2. Answer is option D. Statement 1 is incorrect. In financial year 2024, China has overtaken the US to become India's largest trading partner after a gap of 2 years. USA was India's top trading partner during financial year 2022 and financial year 2023 after China was the top bilateral trading partner in financial year 2021. Statement 2 is incorrect. India generally has a trade surplus with the US, exporting more than it imports. Thank you.